Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm going to be vlogging today because I chose to vlog. And I'm just going to be probably vlogging outside because what is this? Okay, so after this vlog, about a few hours later, I'm going to post a video that I actually got of how much flooding was in our back porch, and now it's all just like dried up. And it's actually a little bit floody still back here. But you can't see the rain, of course, because it's not going to show up on my camera. A lot of people are actually storing back there in Lowe's, back there in Lowe's, and also in Lowe's because Lowe's is a pretty strong building. And my only insecurity about this right now is the trees. I think I'm pointing into the wrong direction. The trees right here. Trees back there. And actually, people back in the hospital are actually taking shelter. And basically, this is going to be lit. And I actually have some news that is bad. Florida, Volusia County is getting the most strongest part of the storm. That we are going to get 5 to 8 foot flooding, which is 2 feet taller than my cousin Kyle, my cousin Kyle is like, I can't even reach, like right to the top of the door. So we're gonna get floodings over that rating. We are in causing tornadoes, and we possibly could be in a tornado watch if cold air and stuff like that. And we're definitely gonna get power outages, and we're going to get a storm surge. I swear to God, because this hurricane is coming, I'm seeing like frogs every inch of corner. So, I'm out here in the rain right now. Well, not out here because I have a roof over me. But it was really bad flooding when I came out here.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Vlogging?
Vlogging.
Vlogging?
V-L-O-G. Excuse me? I'm vlogging. And I got footage. Mom, I got footage out here when I came out here of, how flooded our back porch was. And how much water was coming out of the little spikes.
It's just a little rain band, Kylie. This
little rain band.
Nothing abnormal from what we...
I mean, we've been noticing this, but last year's hurricane was not as bad as we all thought it was going to be.
Right.
Except the only thing that concerned me was the doors to Auntie's Street house were flying open.
Yeah.
They almost came off the hinges.
But the rain is picking up again. That better have shut on my camera.
Mom, if it turns to a category 5, what will you do?
If it's a category 5 here, we are all
Stay inside?
Yeah. And
You said you would find a different shelter?
No. Once the storm starts, you stay where
You have to
are.
stay where
can't
you
go
are.
on the roads. Go
It's
in the house.
it's not safe.
It's lightning in the house.
I know it's lightning, But basically,
on its way, heavy winds on their way here to Central Florida. He says he will be taking all of these
I'm watching the
flags
news
up,
right
trying to
now.
get them up by tomorrow evening before those winds could turn all these flags into
But
projectiles.
today's vlog
Obviously,
is going
a
to be
dangerous situation
boring.
here in his neighborhood. Now, coming up tonight at 10
And
o'clock, we'll
well,
have
it may be
much more on
boring,
this,
but
including
what it's
what the
saying right
press
now
and
is the
also
hurricane's
headed to
definitely
December
gonna hit
tomorrow.
Volusia County, which is where I live.
Reporting live in Altamont Springs,
More
Seminole County.
specifically,
Check it
I
out.
live in
News
Orange
13.
City, and which is in Volusia County.
It may be shifting a little bit
This
west,
thing
but
is
we're still
massive,
questions to
like-
answer. We'll try and answer some of them for you coming up.
This
with
thing is
11
massive,
Get local news, weather, and traffic in the palm of
and
your
it's
hand
very
with the News
massive.
13 Plus app. It's absolutely the best and
It's probably gonna be a
exclusively from Spectrum.
short.
When you're
Is that
on
still
the
good
News
lighting?
13 Plus
No,
app
it's
is
not.
absolutely essential.
I'm just
Giving you local
looking
news,
from
weather, and
outside.
traffic in the palm of your hand. With live Storm
But-
Tracker 13 radar. And get a heads up with personalized safety net alerts so you'll know when severe weather is on the way. Plus, the News 13 Plus app gives you the tools you need to get around the traffic hotspots faster. Best of all, it's absolutely free. The News 13 Plus app.
Oh, so my rubber case can stick to anything, like, not like the walls or anything, but it can stick to the TV, right? To the TV.
Bring it over for one final week. Through Monday, get markdown store-wide during our best sale of the year. Living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and more.
I don't even have a pop socket.
Manufacturers with no
Some pop sockets can stick to something.
power and get free delivery. That's more ways to save. But this is the final week at all 17
But, okay, hold up.
locations.
I was driving home from work. It was a good day
I guess you can
until that
see
guy
it.
blew through the stop sign. I don't know how I survived. I don't know how I'm going to recover.
Okay,
How am I going to pay the bills?
ready?
Honestly, I don't know what to do. Thankfully, I know to call Ruin Zifra.
That's how I
They've been fighting for the
practice.
rights of accident
And then
victims for
I
more than 40
practice
years.
my other stuff.
Call 1-800-JUSTICE. Ruin Zifra is in your community and on your
I
side.
sometimes go like this.
There's only one left. You
Like, not that way.
Because you know you're eco chic, and that sophisticated can still be fun, and because you know there's always room for something eclectic. Interior Concepts by Haynes Brothers Furniture, because your home should reflect your personal style.
Priority Health is brought to you by Daytona Kia, conveniently located on Nova Road, Daytona Beach.
Those you can put on the shelves over here.
We are going to go county by county, find out the impacts we may see with Hurricane Irma, especially as we get into Sunday nights, the overnight hours into early on Monday. And the impacts are going to shift a bit as
Okay,
the
so you
storm
can see the
shifts.
TVs
Let's go down to the southern
in the
portion of the
background.
state. Let's go down to Key West.
But
the PTZ TV cam at Key West
basically,
Harbor.
Hurricane
Sun is shining.
Irma
It's getting a little
is
breezy.
strongest
But Key West
storm
looking
in
at a
history
different
right now.
situation if the
Besides
current path
Katrina
holds true. And we could be talking
and all
about
those
a
other
Category
really wild
5 storm
storms.
rolling over the
Florida's
Middle
the only
Keys
state
sometime
that has,
very early on Sunday. All right,
one
location
through really
22.1 north, 76.5
Really massive
west.
storms.
A couple things to note. 155. It's a
This
strong
is like
Category
covering
4
the whole
storm.
screen
It
right
is
now.
moving to the west, and that's going to continue as we get into tonight. Notice it's going
Free
west,
news,
northwest,
everybody.
and turn
Your
a little
power
bit to the
just
west.
shut off.
A wobble here.
But-
and we did this with Matthew last year. We watched that wobble, and so we have to watch
We
the
are
one closely.
like, this is
And we'll watch it and see
massive.
if it interacts with Cuba. If it comes across the northern
And
shores or
we're
inland here in
looking at
Cuba,
the track
that
right
will
now.
actually cause the storm to change its shape
But,
just a bit. But as the turn
okay.
occurs, and it's
So,
looking like early Saturday
right here,
afternoon, we'll begin to
somewhere
see that
around
northwesterly
this area
jog.
is
A little
where I
more than
live.
the northerly jog we thought
Like
yesterday,
somewhere around-
but that northwesterly
We live
jog
in-
will take
okay,
it up
so
over the
it's
middle
turning
plain.
into a
Again,
5
stop at
again,
6 a.m. on Sunday.
and then it's gonna
near
come
Big
back
Pine
up
Key,
to Florida,
potentially as a
where
Category
I
5,
live.
and up over Naples and Marco Island
And
about 2 o'clock Sunday afternoon. If
this
it continues
is
this path, it's
really
going
bad
to brush
news.
into Polk County, probably a Category 2.
There's probably.
And then up through Citrus, Hernando, and Pasco counties as a Category 1.
Wait, where?
Not good news because that that puts us on the wrong side of this hurricane, and the tornado threat will increase across our area. Wouldn't be surprised if we
Stop.
see a lengthy
Hayden,
tornado
stop.
in effect Sunday morning, taking us right through the overnight hours. But again, that is going to shift back and forth. You saw the cone, and it can still wobble to the right side of the cone.
Oh, I hate that
or
when
to
you
the
get
left side
that
of the cone.
itch
So
on
that's why
both of
you
your
kinda
sides.
Watch with us as we head through the next 24 hours or so, as we watch this thing go back and forth. All right, hurricane warnings extend all the way up to the Indian River, Brevard County coastline, and now you
The
see
pink means
extension of
hurricane,
hurricane
tropical
watches
storm means
now